I am Tori. My name is Tori. My name is Tori. Ooh, sorry about that. Don't know where that came from. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Tori here, ready to do a review on some makeup. Today we are going to be reviewing the Urban Decay KRISTEN LEANNE eyeshadow palette. We got some bold colors up in here. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. All right, so I already have my face on, foundation, all that stuff. All I have to do is my eyes, my lips, and highlighter. So, all right, so I'm so excited. I picked this up the other day. I've been looking for a good eyeshadow palette that has just a lot of like crazy fun colors. Cause I feel like I need to, you know, broaden my horizon a little bit. So I was super excited. KRISTEN LEANNE collabed with Urban Decay to come up to create the Kaleidoscope Dream eyeshadow palette. Ooh, ooh. This is the first time opening it. So excited. Is this a mirror? Come on. Alright, so this is the palette. Alright, so on this palette, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shades. And when I was talking to the guy who was selling me this palette, he swatched the colors and I have to use this blue one. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna swatch them right now for you guys. Nice. I did not swatch this right. Can you see that? I did not do this right. Let me just turn. There. You see that? All right, so I have no idea what look I'm going for today. All right, so I obviously want to use this light blue color. It's called Leo. Yes, it's called Leo. I'm really digging this color, this light blue called LCW. You know what? I'm just gonna play around with it. We're just gonna play around. Just play around. I'm first gonna prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. They do have two matte shades that I would usually use for a transition color, but one of the matte shades is black. I'm not sure if I want to use black today, so we'll see. Yeah, let's go in with this orange. I'm gonna butcher this name. Tahin. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the orange with a fluffy brush, and we're gonna just work that in as our transition. Oh, I already grabbed too much. What do you guys think? I think I can add a little bit more. Let's add a little bit more. So far, first impressions of using an Urban Decay eyeshadow. They're a little bit drier than what I'm used to dealing with, but not too bad. So I'm concentrating the product more on the outer corner and then just kind of blending it out and bringing it in. Bring it up a little bit towards your eyebrow, not too much though. Not all the way up, but almost there. When you think you're done blending, you're not. Keep blending. All right, so we got our transition down. Got it down. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit smaller of a fluffier brush, and I'm gonna work in LCW on the outer corner. Ooh, 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 I'm liking it. All right, so I'm just patting it in right now. Not going too far, just keeping it at the crease and below. It's kind of actually got up a little bit too much. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, that actually got up a lot higher than I wanted to. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in to the inner corner and just pack that product in. If you haven't guessed it, we're going for that halo eye today. The halo eye. Halo. Halo. That is blue, ladies and gentlemen. I'm liking it. Liking it. Ooh, excuse me. Well, I can tell I went a little bit too far over on this eye. Oh, that's okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. I really want to try this Spitfire. Oh, this purple Spitfire color. Oh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Yep, I'm doing it. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So it actually comes with the brush of its own. This is what it looks like. Yep. That's it. I'm gonna take a flat brush and oh yes, oh yes. Confidence rocks the look. Don't care what people think. You love it. So it is. I'm super excited I got this palette. I don't have any crazy vibrant colors like this and it's just making me so happy right now. Alright, so now I'm swiping a little bit just to kind of blend it all together. I don't know why this is giving me major like cotton candy looks. I definitely have to pack the product on a little bit more just so it shows the pigment a little bit more too. But I'm not too worried because I'm going to go over it with another color. I am going to go back in with LCW just to reinforce some color. It's not bad to have to go back and reapply some color in areas. I mean, it happens. You're working on an area for a long time and, you know, you don't need some spruced up here and there anyways, right? Right? Oh my gosh, I'm really gonna have to own this today. I'm finally gonna use Leo. Oh, wait, do I wanna use Leo or Brixton? I'm gonna swatch it. All right, so this is Leo. I don't know if you can tell. In the palette. All right, so Leo in the palette is the circle pan. This is what it is the circle pan. It is this lighter blue side. So it shimmers like a pretty, oh my God, like green, like purple, green. I don't even know. It's just so pretty. Ooh. If you guys go to like Sephora or Ulta to look at, oh my God. This is the one color you need to swatch. I'm gonna take a smaller, flatter brush to work in Leo to the center on top of that Spitfire purple. I kind of like that because it did tone down the purple a lot, which I was a little bit scared for. Anyway, so I like it. I like it. So now I actually want the outer edges of my eye to look I'll have a little bit more depth, so I'm gonna go in with TRM, which is this darker blue shade right here. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay brush. I'm gonna use a smaller compactor, more compact side to just add some depth into the outer area of the halo look. Much better. What do you guys think so far? Very blue, very blue, very blue. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more of that transition color just to kind of blend it out a little bit better. We're gonna use the more fluffy side of the Urban Decay brush that the palette came with. We're gonna go back in with Tajin, whatever it's called, and just kind of blend out the top. For all those wondering, because I know you are, there is fallout on my face. I don't know if you can tell. There is, but I'm one of those people that just doesn't care. It's gonna happen. Like, geez, it's fine. As long as my eye does what I want it to do, then it's fine. I really don't care, honestly. But I know some people do, so just let you know. Just let you know. Whatever. Top half is pretty much done. Now we're gonna go in with, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? All right, as we're deciding, I'm gonna add the transition color, that orange transition color I used, someone teach me how you say this, because I wanna know. All right, so we're just gonna go in and use that on the bottom lash line. We're gonna bring it out. We're not gonna go all the way over to the corner, but mostly. Like 3/4 or 2/3 of the way, you know, close. Not all the way to the tear duct. Decision made. I'm gonna go back in with Spitfire, that purple color we used in the center of our eye, and we're gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna drag it out as low as the transition color I used, and we're just gonna concentrate it all up in here. I'm gonna go in with LCW to start off with, and we'll see if that's dark enough for what I want to accomplish. Kind of like what I did before, I'm gonna try to keep it even closer to the lash line than I did with the orange and the purple color. All right, so I'm gonna go in with that Leo color. I'm gonna start in the middle and work my way over towards the tear duct. I'm gonna actually go in and start highlighting. I'm gonna use the Bricks and Color white with the pink reflex. And we're gonna put that in the inner tear ducts of our eye. Cool. And I have this weird thing where I like to match my highlighter that I do in the inner corner tear ducts of my eyes to my brow bone. So we're just gonna pop that in all up in there. This is so exciting. Should I do a liner? Oh, I don't want to. All right, so now we are back out. You can kind of see what it looks like from a distance now. Oh yes. Now I'm going to set my face before I put my mascara on. I just find that it helps out a lot when I put my mascara on, so it's just a personal preference I have. I'm gonna take an angled fluffy brush and I'm gonna take my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude Highlighting Palette. I'm going to bring in this orange color and I might mix it with that gold at the top too. Now it is time to put on mascara. There we go. There we go, mascara on. That's when you can really tell when the eye look just comes together, is when you put on mascara. Yeah. All right, now time for the lips. All right, I could be really extra and going with my Fenty Clapback blue color. Ooh, I could. Nah, this is already out of my comfort zone to do something crazy with the eye look. So I'm gonna go with the basic nude color. Not really sure if I'm loving this lip color either, but this whole tutorial thing review was about the eyes. So don't worry about anything else. All right guys, so this is the final look. Ooh. All right, let's bring you in so, you can look up close again, Cause I know you missed it. Come here, girl. Come here. Ooh, yeah. You see that blue? Ooh, yeah. Like, I'm super proud of myself. Ooh, I am not hating this. Like, this is the first, bold color that I'm actually gonna go out in public with. Boy, everyone's gonna be asking about these eyes. You know they are. You know they are. I'm feeling myself today. Ooh, feeling it. Feeling it. Love it. Let me know what you guys think about this look, Let me know in the comments below. And if there's any other looks you want me to do with this palette, I'll be happy to do it. I am loving it right now. So let me know if there's any other looks you want me to do. Ask me questions. I'll try to figure out answers for you guys. So is this a look that you guys think that you would wear out in public? Is it? Or would you do something even more daring? Let me know. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun making this look. So glad I got the KRISTEN LEANNE Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. It's a thumbs up for me. Out of 10, I'll give it, what would I give it? I'll give it an 8, honestly. An 8 is pretty good. Pretty good. Please, if you like this video or you like me, just please subscribe, comment, like this video, do all 3 if you want. I will see you until next time. Bye.